Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. In this tutorial we're going to be learning how to create this calendar widget or date widget, which will show the current month and the day of the month. So today is the 12th of June and it will show 12th of June. If you open this web page tomorrow, it will show the 13th of June. So the inspiration for this design is from Adobe Stock. So first we're going to style it using CSS, and then we'll be using JavaScript to get the current day of the month and the current month. So for the text we'll be using a font, and let me see. So we'll be using this B Vietnam Pro style, and I'll select just the 7 bold 700 and black 900. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Okay, so in order to create this widget, in order to create this effect here at the corner, we'll be adding overflow hidden. So these hinges, I'll style them separately. They'll not be part of the calendar. I mean, they'll be part of the calendar, but they'll be outside of the calendar body. So the calendar body will consist of the month and the date. So let's actually use this design. So this says January. Now, besides classes, we're also using IDs, because we'll be using these IDs to get references to the diffs using JavaScript. We'll use the classes to style the month and the day, and we'll use the IDs then to change them to the current month and current day. Okay, so let's start first the widget. And we'll use this font family that we imported from Google Fonts. Okay, so let's do the calendar body. So this is the calendar body, which consists of the month and the day. So let's actually first tell the month and day so we see what's going on here. Okay. So for the calendar body, let's add this corner here. Actually, it would be a okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna rotate it starting from this point, from the top right corner. So we'll rotate it from here. And now in order to show only this actually, wait a minute, there should be a border radius on the calendar body. Okay, sorry, we need to add overflow hidden to the calendar body. Okay, now there's a shadow here, so we're gonna add this shadow on this edge here, and we'll use the box shadow, and it will be inside because it will be an inner shadow. Okay, actually, if we remove the overflow hidden, you can see there's a box shadow on the inside edges. Okay, now let's add these hinges, and we have the hinges outside the calendar body because the calendar body has overflow hidden, and they won't show. The top part won't show. So And we're gonna use the hinges. So we're gonna use the box shadow to replicate the left hinge at the right hinge. So let's start with the left hinge. And there should be a border radius. Now we're going to use the box shadow to replicate it on this side, on the right side. Okay, now let's do the before. And we'll use the box shadow again to make the part from the right side. This color. Okay, and let's use the after pseudo element. And there we have it, guys. Here's the date widget. We're done with the CSS. Now let's use a little bit of JavaScript to get the current month and the current day. So first of all, we'll use these IDs to get references to these div elements. Now let's get the current date now. Now in order to get the month, we'll use the get month from the current date, but this will return the month as a number. For example, if it's January, it will return 1. If it's December, it will return 12. In order to get the text, the month as a text, we're gonna create a array, and we'll just put them here. Now in order to get the current month, we'll use the months array, and from the current date we'll get the get month. Now if I console log this one, now it returns July, but today is June. This month is June, and because get month returns the starting from 1 and array start from 0, we'll just subtract -1, and here we see it's June. Now for the day, we just use the current date get date, and this will return the day of the month, the current day of the month. So all we have to do is just print them over here. Okay, so we see it's June, and today is the 12th. So and today is 12th. Now if the day is less than 10, so if it's 9th and you want, if it's a single digit, you want a leading 0, here for current day we can add a conditional. Current day. Okay, there's a mistake here with this one, so but if you'd like a leading 0, you can just use this code. Otherwise you can just go like this one. Well, that's the tutorial, guys. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one.